In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Zillow on desktop 2026 guide. If you're wrapping up a property search or using a shared computer, signing out is a simple but important way to protect your account. It keeps your saved homes, personal contact details, and any rental applications private. So let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, confirm that you're actually logged in. Open your preferred browser and go to Zillow.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner. If you see your first name, a circle with your initials, or a personalized avatar or person icon, that means you're signed in. If all you see is a generic sign in button, you're already logged out and you're good to go. This quick check helps you avoid extra clicks and make sure you know your current status before moving on. If you're signed in, the next step is to open your account menu. Click directly on your profile icon or your name in that top right header. A vertical menu should appear, and you'll notice shortcuts to things like your saved homes, searches, and rental hub. If your browser window is on the smaller side, the header can switch to a more compact layout, but the menu trigger will still be in the top right area. Maximizing the window or zooming out slightly can make it easier to spot if the layout looks tight. Now it's time to sign out. In the drop-down menu, scroll or scan to the bottom and look for the option labeled Sign Out or Log Out. Click it once. Zillow ends your session immediately. There's no second confirmation to click through. In most cases, you'll be taken back to the Zillow homepage automatically, and you'll notice your profile image or name has been replaced by the Sign In button. If you had multiple Zillow tabs open, they may not update instantly, so a quick refresh on those tabs will reflect your logged out state. Finally, take a moment to verify everything. Look again at the top right corner and confirm that the Sign In button is visible. If you're on a shared or public computer, close the browser window when you're done. Clearing the cache or browsing data can add an extra layer of privacy, especially in places like libraries or offices. And if the drop-down menu didn't appear when you clicked your name earlier, try refreshing the page. A slow connection can occasionally delay the menu from loading. That's it. A few quick clicks and your Zillow account stays secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.